Can an ordinary person really become a millionaire? Or is wealth something you're simply born into? Most people believe millionaires have wealthy parents, better connections, extraordinary salaries, or simply got lucky. And yes, some do. But here's what's surprising. Many self-made millionaires started with everyday jobs, average incomes, and lives that looked remarkably similar to everyone else's. Teachers, engineers, nurses, office workers, small business owners, people who faced the same bills, the same financial pressures, and many of the same doubts as everyone else. So what separates them? Is it intelligence, a higher salary, better investments, or is it something almost invisible? Here's the surprising part. If I handed you the exact daily routine of a self-made millionaire, most people would glance at it, shrug, and go right back to their normal lives. Not because it's difficult, but because it looks far too ordinary to change anyone's future. And that's the biggest lie about wealth. If you're someone who wants to understand money instead of just chasing it, subscribe to Treasure Bucks. Every documentary on this channel is designed to help you see money differently, understand investing, and make smarter financial decisions for the years ahead. Now, let's uncover the millionaire habits that almost nobody teaches. If you ask most people what a millionaire looks like, they'll probably describe someone living in a mansion, driving a luxury car, wearing an expensive watch, and flying first class around the world. That's the image we've been sold for decades. Movies celebrate it. Social media amplifies it. We've been conditioned to believe that wealth is loud, that if someone is truly rich, they should look rich. But here's the question very few people ever stop to ask. What if that's not what real wealth looks like at all? Think about the last time you saw someone driving an expensive car. Did you assume they were wealthy? Or did you simply assume they looked successful? Because the lifestyle you see isn't what creates a millionaire. It's often what comes after decades of disciplined financial decisions. The process of building wealth is usually far less exciting than the lifestyle it eventually creates. Many self-made millionaires spend years living in average neighborhoods, driving reliable cars, and investing consistently while almost nobody notices. To the outside world, they don't look rich. And that's exactly the point. Maybe you've done it too. Bought something you didn't really need, just because it felt like the next step after working so hard. Most people spend their lives trying to look wealthy. Millionaires spend their lives becoming wealthy. It's a small difference in words, but an enormous difference in behavior. Because every dollar spent trying to impress someone today is a dollar that can no longer work for your future. And over years, those small choices begin to separate two people who once looked almost identical. One slowly builds assets, the other slowly builds appearances. At first, you can't tell the difference. 10 years later, you can. One begins to buy freedom. The other is still buying things. 20 years later, the gap becomes impossible to ignore. So if real millionaires aren't defined by what they buy, then what habits quietly create extraordinary wealth while almost everyone else is distracted by appearances? That's where the story really begins. Every millionaire story looks different. Different cities, different careers, different incomes. But remove the headlines, the luxury homes, and the expensive cars, and a surprisingly ordinary pattern begins to appear. Imagine two co-workers starting their first job on the same day. They're the same age. They earn the same salary. They share the same office, the same lunch breaks, and even complain about the same monthly bills. If you met them back then, you probably couldn't tell them apart. To everyone around them, their lives look almost identical. Then payday arrives. For one of them, it's permission to spend. A newer phone, a better car, a lifestyle that finally feels like success. The other celebrates too. Before buying anything else, he quietly moves part of his paycheck into investments. In fact, nobody even notices. Not because he's richer, not because he's smarter, simply because he decided that a portion of today's income should belong to his future, before it belongs to his present. The difference that month is almost invisible. Neither looks wealthier than the other, but the calendar keeps moving. Month after month, year after year. One person's money disappears the moment it arrives. 20 years later, those two co-workers would still remember their first paycheck, but only one of them would still be benefiting from it. The other quietly builds assets that begin working long after the paycheck has been spent. And that's the strange thing about wealth. The decisions that change your financial future rarely feel life-changing when you make them. They feel ordinary, almost forgettable. And that's exactly why they're so powerful. Because the decisions that change your future rarely announce themselves when they happen. But this raises an even bigger question. If these habits are so simple, why don't most people stick to them? For decades, researchers have tried to answer a question that millions of people still ask today. Why do some ordinary people quietly become wealthy, while others spend a lifetime working just as hard and never get ahead? The answers were surprising, because almost everything people assumed turned out to be wrong. It wasn't a six-figure salary, it wasn't an Ivy League education, and it certainly wasn't a life free from financial struggles. In fact, many of them worried about bills, unexpected expenses, and the future, just like everyone else. Again and again, researchers found something much less exciting, but far more powerful. Self-made millionaires developed systems that made good financial decisions almost automatic. They understood something most people never realize. Motivation fades. Systems don't. Most people wait until the end of the month to see what's left to save. Millionaires often reverse that process. They decide first what belongs to their future, and only then decide what belongs to today. Over time, that simple shift changes everything. Because wealth isn't usually destroyed by one terrible financial decision. It's quietly shaped by hundreds of ordinary decisions that nobody remembers making. One subscription you barely use, one purchase you convince yourself was deserved, one raise that slowly turns into a more expensive lifestyle. None of them seem important on their own, but together, they slowly decide where your money goes, and ultimately, where your future goes. Self-made millionaires understand something that most people discover too late. Every financial decision has a hidden cost. Not just the money you spend today, but the opportunity that money could have created over the next 20 or 30 years. That's why becoming wealthy isn't usually about making extraordinary choices. It's about protecting ordinary choices from becoming expensive mistakes. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Knowing what to do has never been the hardest part. Doing it, month after month, when nobody is watching, is. And that's exactly where most financial journeys begin to fall apart. To understand why, we have to understand something even more powerful than money: human behavior. Here's the strange part. Most people already know what they're supposed to do with money. Yet most people never do it consistently. Most people already know they should save more, spend less, and invest for the future. The information isn't hidden. The challenge is something much deeper. Maybe you've experienced it yourself. You promised yourself you'd save more next month. And somehow, next month looked exactly like the last one. It's human nature. We've all felt it. You buy something you've wanted for weeks, and for a moment, it feels worth every penny. A few days later, it simply becomes another thing you own. Our brains are wired to choose what feels rewarding now, even when we know it might hurt us later. A new phone today feels real. A comfortable retirement 30 years from now doesn't. A vacation this summer creates excitement. Watching your investments grow slowly in the background doesn't. That's why building wealth often feels emotionally unrewarding in the beginning. The sacrifices are visible. The rewards are invisible. That's why saving money can feel like losing, even when you're quietly winning. And that's exactly where most people give up. Not because they lack discipline, but because they expect today's decisions to produce tomorrow's results. We live in a world that rewards instant gratification, while wealth rewards delayed gratification. Those two systems are constantly fighting each other. Every social media post convinces you that someone else is living a better life. Every lifestyle upgrade feels like progress, even when it's quietly delaying financial freedom. Self-made millionaires aren't immune to those temptations. They simply build systems that make the right decision easier than the wrong one, because they understand something that changes everything. Your financial future isn't decided by your biggest decision. It's decided by the hundreds of ordinary decisions nobody else ever sees. And when those decisions begin working together, the results can look almost unbelievable. So after decades of choosing the future over the present, what does that life actually look like? The answer isn't just a larger bank account. It's something far more valuable. By now, you've probably realized something that most people spend years chasing. There was never a secret hiding in plain sight. No magic investment, no hidden shortcut, and no single moment that transformed an ordinary person into a millionaire. Instead, wealth was built through hundreds of decisions that looked completely ordinary at the time. The kind of decisions nobody posts on social media. The kind that often feel insignificant until years later. Choosing to invest before spending. Resisting lifestyle inflation after a raise. Allowing time to do the work that impatience never could. These aren't dramatic choices. In fact, they're so ordinary that most people overlook them. But over 20 or 30 years, small decisions create extraordinary outcomes. That's why real wealth is often invisible. You won't always recognize it by the house someone lives in, or the car they drive. You'll recognize it by the financial freedom they've spent years building, long before anyone else noticed. The greatest advantage wasn't intelligence, it was giving time the chance to work. Because money can be earned again, time cannot. And every dollar invested today buys something far more valuable than money. It buys your future freedom. So the next time you receive a paycheck, ask yourself one simple question. Will this money only improve my lifestyle today? Or will it also improve my life 10 years from now? Because one decision won't make you wealthy, but one decision, repeated for years, just might. And that's where many millionaire stories quietly begin. If this documentary changed the way you think about wealth, then Treasure Bucks was made for you. Every week we uncover the psychology, history, and hidden patterns behind money, so you can understand wealth instead of simply chasing it. Subscribe and join us for the next investigation. And remember, they begin with one small decision, repeated consistently over time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Treasure Bucks documentary.